How to call a shell script from Python code. How to call a shell script from Python code.
The subprocess module will help you out. Blatantly trivial example. Where test.sh is a simple shell script and 0 is its return value for this run.
There are some ways using os.open, deprecated, or the whole subprocess module, but this approach is one of the easiest.
In case you want to pass some parameters to your shell script, you can use the method shlex.split. With test.sh in the same folder. Outputs.
Assuming test.sh is the shell script that you would want to execute.
Use the subprocess module as mentioned above. I use it like this.